Share the video, guys. We are about to proceed to the second edition of this Truth and Honesty. So if you are joining me for the first time, you are welcome. And also, through this page, if this is the first time you are coming across of the page, so share the video, invite your friends, make it go viral, because truth will be definitely known by everyone. When the man marries you, a lot of things will start going wrong in our land. That is why I am asking every one of you that is joining me on this evening through broadcast to share it to everyone around you. So, we are going to continue where we stopped yesterday based on the evidence of Ogechi Okeke Njaka communication with Mirabel and Edo. Before we go to that, there is something I want you to understand. Mirabel and Edo, I want you guys to, maybe if she's your friend or your sister or anybody to you, anytime you see her, ask her a question. What is your reason why going to different platforms, different people, advertising your autos you shared by yourself? That is number one question anybody that is reasonable enough will ask. Why are you going to different platforms since you said that this issue is on court since 2019? That you guys are waiting for Ogechi to come down to Nigeria. Now Ogechi is in Nigeria. Why not you proceed to court direct than going to different platforms, making mad concerning this, going to the street of Abuja, looking for Ogechi on the street of Interpol and all the rest of them? Why not proceed to court since you guys have evidence about Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Again, ask her, why are you fighting every individuals that love Ogechi Okeke Njaka genuinely? Why are you fighting all Ogechi's fans and Ogechi's friends? Again, you want to talk about people and you don't want people to talk about you. Why? I want to narrate a story to every one of you. Mirabel and Edo have gone to different people, insulting them, leveling allegation on them. Anytime you talk about peace or making a peace between Mirabel and Edo and Ogechi Okeke Njaka, she will come after you. I come into this issue before, when I come out to talk about the issue that is going on media. Ezugo was today complaining that Mirabel and Edo is threatening him. It's the same thing she did to me. When I come out on media to talk about the issue she had with Ogechi Okeke Njaka, when we are still under the threats of justice, then the lady started attacking me. She come to my inbox. The way she go to everybody's inbox, of them that is living in Canada, she went there. Ezugo, she went there because what? All these people are supporting Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Anybody that is around Ogechi Okeke Njaka, this lady will start fighting them. This lady come to my inbox and start insulting me with no just cause. She even called me on my phone, insulting me because I said, let me know what is actually happening between you and Ogechi. After said and done, I find out that this lady is guilty. When I'm running a program concerning her and Ogechi, she called on my live video start insulting me, saying all manner of things. And later she continued sharing her pics on social media. Now one day, I did a video, put her picture, ask her Mirabel, stop asking people if you have Mirabels, it will share. It's not good, it's not wise. Look at your children. Why are you disgracing yourself on social media and disgracing your family? Listen very attentively. This young lady we are talking about, she learned to Oriako, the one they called Oriako, Kingsley, Juliago. They asked this lady to go to my family to humiliate my mother and my grandmother. This lady lived all the way from Onitsha. Listen to me. For those of you that don't know who this lady is, this lady live on Onitsha where she's living. Go to my village, my town. Enter my compound. Videoed my mother when my mother die in Isi. Videoed my grandmother when my grandmother is eating. Videos my father's car. And bring all of them on social media to do what? To humiliate my mother and my grandmother. That is exactly what she did. What did I do to her? Nothing. These are the evil that is in this lady's mind. That is why she's going to go mad on this media. She can never have peace. For humiliating my grandmother and my mother, she can never have peace. But that is not the issue why I am here. I am here for you guys to understand very clear and how she scammed Ogechi Okeke Njaka and her followers. Remember, on the communication of yesterday, we are going to continue where we stopped. This lady said that she have nothing to do, nothing to eat. But eventually later we find out that that lady have a shop where she's doing business. That lady is a landlady. She's managing her life. Maybe things is not going well on her side that a lot of time. Yes, you can seek for help than lying to the public and do all manner of things. So I want you to pay attention. I am going to present where we stopped yesterday based on the evidence we have about what happened and transpired between Ogechi Okeke Njaka and Mirabel and Edo. We are going to start again from there. So what you need is to give me your listening ear, pay attention to it, and also share the video and invite your friends. Truth is the only thing that will stand and stand forever. Nothing changes truth. No matter whatever that you are doing in this life, you can never change truth. No matter, you can never change truth. So we are going to start again. Let me remove this symbol so that you are going to be seeing it very clear. The evidence of what happened between Mirabel and Edo and Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Mirabel was busy lying against Ogechi, scamming people with her pics. Now, we want to proceed from where we stopped yesterday.
Everybody that has raised money, everybody that come out, that's the same thing. I can remove the post so people have been bugging out to any question and remove your account number because don't even do that to tell me you gotta contradict issues now. Okay, you think I know the hotel come on and give me anything. Please don't do that. I beg you, I'm chilling now. Yeah, reply. Reply. Yes, my queen, that is the truth, okay? I won't lie to you, okay? No problem, my queen. Thank you. Yeah, I am sorry, my queen. Please forgive me. Please. Do you know the implication of allegation I have received that I was working with you. Leboye Mirabel replied, I am so sorry, my queen. Please forgive me. Please. Kewantio.
People are
come disappointed and beg. Why didn't you tell me that you guys are married? You could have told me. Hear my voice note again. People come disappointed and beg. Why didn't you tell me that you guys are married? You could have told me. Good. Yeah, reply that my version, my lady. He stays with me because of my past life. I am sorry. Please, my queen. Repeat that message. Because it's I beg. Even if he had got to, I will see start from where I stop. Yashi, forgive me, please. But Yashi, my lady, he stays with me because my past life. I am sorry, please, my queen. Forgive me, please, but he's my brother. Yashi, forgive me, please, but his brothers are frustrating me. Please, I'm deeply sorry. My queen, I am sorry. Okay, why is it that Mirabel is apologizing? Because it is covered and I'm not through la marche.
Wait, no, there you go.
Yeah, she said, oh, no, to corner, young Kamhabesha. Those of you that are reading this, because when Mirabel Uchi, when anything in Nutu, Yario Mashala Nutu.
This is where the problem started.
Why didn't you tell me that both of you guys are married? Or we are married then? Are you guys seeing it? Okay, now let's continue.
Yeah, this video, guys.
Are you guys married or just living together? I'm like your sister now. Please tell me everything about you. Please, everything. I'm like, this girl is coming from. Mashia, because everything. I'm like a sister to you. Everything that I need to know, because right now I'm lost. Mashia, I will stand by you and walk with you. I am a mother and a sister to widows.
Oh.
Single mothers.
You are right, my daddy.
I know how it is when a man is not in your life. I know how hard it is, especially when you have kids. You would even double times too. So I have special interest for widows. Be special. I repeated it. I said I am a mother and a sister to widows. That was exactly my reply. Yeah, baby. The way we married and he is a master degree holder. Where Camila Bell to confess everything. Lebande tia March 14th. Camila Bell Pitro. Who everything. Yashi, we mbago Pitro Bewa Shia. I am like a sister and a brother and whatever, a widow. Mother to a sister to widows. Yashi, we married and he is a master degree holder but jobless. I have to be doing wrongs. This message. Now, message from Mirabel. Read it. We married and he is a master degree holder, but jobless. I have to be doing wrongs to feed him and my poor kids. And my kids stop going to school due to I confess my past life to him and asked him for his forgiveness since then. No money to take care of my kids because I don't fuck around and the men don't give me money to feed the kids again. So I am helpless because no one wants to hear from me. Nobody wants to assist us. I am having heart pain since I lost my late husband. Did Ogechi make up this story? This was exactly Mbeporiana phone.
Guys, share this video. Let the world know the truth once and for all.
Never you allow one netiki. They are aware of raising money because how can you be doing wrongs? Thank God that she repeated it here. Mbobor on the phone. This was exactly what she told me. I am to share. I want to know what is the truth and what is it. Tell me everything. Anything about marriage, this man and Abata. Yaba Charles with Ahoya. Now this man, Yaba Charles with Ahoya. Now this man, yeah, where the money, yet the man. Mashia, why would you be doing this, be feeding a man?
If you love to share this video, I want to see cheers on this video.
For your children and you. Now let's proceed. Yes, yeah. And what me at Mashi, I will stand by you and work with you. Yeah, reply at that message. Yes, and once we legally got married to him, we did court wedding. You know, this guy Jimmy Bono Kueshoku. You know, this guy Jimmy Bono Kueshoku. The fourth day go be the loyalty. After the third day, how we do the fourth day, Mirabel and loyalty. Mom, is the worried and concerned. The Mirabel which is me porno. Mirabel is me porno. Bamna. Oh no, potara bamu that all would just say. Hagachaga blood test. That the man want to marry her. Only him that want to marry her. Una only finally become a widow overnight. And then only a loyalty overnight. After the fourth day, baby to the pressure, why are you using this man again? I happy. She's online now. The boy. Okay, mata Mirabel shim na ya baramu before. Okay, mata mbe Mirabel uwe. Now let's continue. Iyawo ebe Mirabel bidoro kuwa, but Mashia button why didn't you tell me? When I reply the message, Mashia button why didn't you tell me? Yes, my queen, please forgive me. It's hardship and frustration that lead me into that.
Yo, Wayo,
did you guys see Onya Potarana Abam now?
Wayo 419. Active of frustration. Evidence is here.
From step to step, one after another. What warranted me to start saying, tell me nothing but the truth again, because but the same story before, a new thing. Yes, please, I have decided not to mess up again. That is why I opened up to you, my party life. Please forgive me, my pen.
Share this video, guys. Before we go more further on this video, I want you guys to share this video. And the reasons is that sometimes people don't know where the problem is coming from. You just come out on media, you judge one-sided without knowing the facts and the honest truth that is involved. Now you guys can see the pure evidence of what happened since 2019. That Mirabel was busy on the social media, blackmailing Ogechi Okeke Njaka and her followers, laying allegation on her Now, you are seeing evidence here. Proceed.
Now, let's continue. Marcia, why would you do runs to feed a man? The same thing in a phone can repeat it again. Yeah, I am sorry, my queen. Marcia, but why? Why didn't you tell me? I reply, I'm sorry, my queen. The question reply. Did you see what Mirabel replied to me? I am so sorry. Why didn't you tell me? Did you guys see it? Maybe Ogechi just fabricated this one. Now let's continue. Yeah, because life is too hard for us. Please, I'm deeply sorry. Please, my heart is paining me. And the more now, please, I'm sorry. Why would you do wrongs to feed a man? I apologize for lying and not telling me that no video no way widow Nayaka Loruti. This man won these 4 kids.
Okay. Now,
Imagine their family are they not helping you before you started doing wrongs? Because I'm not for tomorrow. I used my late husband to claim to be a widow. Did you guys hear it? I used my late husband to claim to be a widow. I am sorry, my queen.
Do you hear that?
Please.
Mirabel, he can never be well with you. He can never be well with you.
I used my late husband to claim to be a widow. I am sorry, my lady, my queen lady.
Oh God. I am crying in my heart right now.
So, your late husband, only one girl, the girl I want, the late husband, you remarried with God's wedding, you still claim. Had 4 children, the man is still alive.
Till today.
So, you still want to kill the second husband.
Joseph is his name.
And you are still claiming a widow at present with the 4 boys. If you allow these people not come out to catch them, Mama, that you Mama, that you know these people that can't up.
I use my late husbands to crave.
They ganged up against me.
I'm sorry, my lady. Oh God.
Any God you serve from an arrow sim and a mat. Even a ball in a serve for ya. Okay, Billy George again. It's just a matter of time.
Keep on sharing this video.
Now let's continue.
Okay, let's make it viral. Let's go viral too.
Masha, how long are you guys married? Masha, how long? Actually, Masha, how long have you guys married? Imano, Ishina, but the thing when I got your meaning with information now, the cool. I'm up on all one on your phone. That's it. Now, any mirrors, a feed, a man. Back I'm she I never knew. Name me video people matter go tina kina or somebody and then kakakane were cooking somebody. Now, man, about the man family, they left us telling this one to leave me so that he will marry his own wife and he refused. About the family, this is the year will respond to Mirabel. Now, your family member, now, let's continue. Yeah, baby. Masha, how long ago he fathers my 2 sons. Mirabel now father 2 sons. This man only 1 girl. 1 girl. Yeah. But yeah, 6 months to the man and more.
She said it on the video, which I will see to the video after this one.
The only girl which is lie. Mirabel family, because one of them, Mirabel still lied. Now, the man father two of his boys. While this man,
Queen, she made the right or not. This lady is a prostitute. Based on the information and investigation I get earlier than is that those 4 children that is living with her right now, the Joseph only fathered one. People that are in the main market know the different people that is sitting with Mirabel, and they know some of them are born children. I have their names with me before, but I can't forget one of them. One of them is Alewa. They call him Alewa. He's from the Enugu State. Yeah, everybody knows very well. Some of those children is not even this husband that is living with her have those children. He's just a prostitute. So if she tell you that the one have 2, maybe she will try to convince you. Then other ones is people that have done it outside. The one, based on the story and the investigation I get, the man only born 1 children out of those 4 children. Let's continue.
Before. All that child on the before. The man the child Mirabel, the only child Mirabel beard for that man. Wherever you are, may your soul. Oh, I'm life. I'll call you later. So now let's continue. Yashi, so your late husband gave you only 2 sons. Yeah, questions gonna reply. Yeah, I want to take some substance and die. The treats this woman.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, because I'm a talent or
Yeah.
He from everywhere. Mirabel treats naturally to mellow my heart. I'm being a judge.
Oh, strategies here.
Go over under pressure and under the press because I'm a Mirabel to Russia. Mirabel and I divert it that naturally want some substance and more. Here I need them to go only to the Mirabel.
No. Clear conscience accusation. Share this video, guys. Share this video. I want to see enough share of this video.
Now let's continue.
Let the world know the truth once and for all. What is all this nonsense?
Why must she take substance? Yes. Marcia, how long have you guys been married? I want to commit suicide and die. Anyway, because I use my late husband to claim I'm a widow.
Oh. God in heaven.
I want to commit suicide and lie. I want to commit suicide and die. Anyway, because I use my late husband to claim I'm a widow.
Okay.
Have you guys seen it? Because she lied. Because she lied. Not him and actually down. Now let's continue. Marcia meaning. My reply, Marcia meaning. Marcia, stop all this rubbish. This girl is playing a mind of a criminal. My reply, Ashia, stop all this rubbish. Yeah, she 2013. How long can you have me? Yeah, reply. Masha, what kind of nonsense is that? Hey, back and she child. Masha, what would people people think about me if they found out? Hey, Chia Atoromato. I am finished. I am finished. Joya why? Why? Scamming people with your true husband alive and some evil men, and involving me in your scam mood. Hey, is it like
She pilot, my love. I welcome you.
Oh God. Ogechi What will I tell people that I defended this lady that on a question? What will I come out and
Not knowing that she's a criminal.
How will people perceive me that I'm out there well? Yeah, where will I start and how will I stop? I am to reply, what kind of nonsense is this? What would people think about me if they found out? Try and finish in the wash. So let's continue. Then I'm ashamed of myself to use my late husband.
And I'm afraid you share this video, guys.
She lied. Now she's ashamed. How will others look at me or help others? Your story now that will motivate them to help others. This issue about your life go on. Yash nobody. Mashia, nobody. Mashia, my lady, please and please, I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive me. Just plan deal. Keep pretend who any no get their way. Again, group, the same group of people, the same pig, who only fight against Mirabel, when this thing started. Now let's continue. Marcia, what would the other look like? Because sometimes when you're typing, you don't even know what you're typing. When Marcia, how will others look at me or help others? Yeah, Shimo, I want to die away. The Mirabel reply, yes, I want to die away. I can't stand the pain I put you into.
Oh.
I can't stand the pain I put you into. I can't stand this. I pray to God. God to give me internal peace.
Blackmailer.
I pray to God to give me internal peace. I can't stand the pain I put you into. I can't stand this. That's God. God to give me internal peace.
Wow.
I pray nobody will find out. I pray nobody will find out. I'm really sorry. Please pardon my manners, please. Because I want to share this video.
Share this video, guys. Let the world see the truth.
This video in all groups. All these men, Mirabel, what can I lawyer them do? Mirabel, old husband ya nwụrụ anwụ tụọ na-claim si na ya wee widow. Otu ahụ ka ụmụ nwaanyị unu ga-eji claim unu na unu anwụọ na ji unu nara ego. Otu ahụ ka nwaanyị ga-apụta claim ọ na ịdị ndụ ya gbara gị ya eji gị nara money. Ị ga-anwụ. Ị ga-adị ndụ nwaanyị dị lụrụ apụta si na enwụọ na ji gị gba ego. As far as ị mepere ọnụ na ihe Mirabel kwuru dị mma. Ya bụrụ na ị lụọla nwaanyị, your wife ma ọ secret ma open ga-asị na enwụọ na ji gị nara ego. And irie that ego, ọ ga-egbu gị, you will die. Irie that ego, ọ ga-egbu gị, you will die. Ụmụ nwaanyị sọpọtịkwanụ Mirabel, otu a ka ị ga-eji di gị dị ndụ ma ọ secret ma open. Ị ga-apụta shi that di gị nwụrụ anwụ while ọ dị ndụ. Iji that money or anything ma ọ bụ efe. As far as you set their eyes on you or riba ya ọnụ, your husband will die. Now let's continue. Yashi, I'm really sorry. Please pardon me. Mashia, you know what to do now. You know what to do now. Do you know what to do now? Yashi, Mashia, you have to stop picking anyone call again. If they pay you money, just say thank you. Because I'm not the baby get I'm not the baby Mashia. Because do you know what to do now? Because you need to stop picking people's call. Because I'm not the mortgage. I don't know what to tell this guy. I am completely lost. Reply, I want you to forgive me. Let me have peace of mind so that I will die of a happy woman.
You know what? This Mirabel.
Just reread what Mirabel said. Oshi, I want you to forgive me. Let me have peace of mind so that I will die of a happy woman. Reply, I am the repeat. Mashia, you just messed me up. Mashia, God. Mashia, you just messed the head back of me up. Yashi, my queen, please find a place. Find a place in your heart to mercy for me. Because I am tired of my life. My queen, please found a place in your heart to mercy for me because I am tired of my life. Yeah, conversation with Mirabel. Now let's continue. Mashia, I am so confused. How much is in your account? How much is in total? Mashia, how much in total do you have now? Yeah, question now to the God. How will I do this? Before maybe do. Are you guys reading it or not? May I please, my queen? 1,060,000. Mashi, okay, you have to divide that money into two and give to another widow. I will send you her information so that God will forgive you. Queen Ebe widow,
okay.
Because I cannot allow Mirabel to deceive people now a widow while she's not a widow. To eat the widows while they want a lot of people who are widows that I would distribute this money to. Mashia, divide this money into two. Other widows, my dear.
No. That was the real widow.
Mashia, all people will start contacting you with lawyers and sue you because this is a fraud, pure 419 fraud.
Confirm. Everybody not the home money self. Everybody not the home money.
Mashia, divide ego into two other widows. Our people will start contacting you to take their money, sue you to. This is a pure 419.
Correct.
How would people want me to let go while this girl better broad daylight and rob my NGO?
My wonderful people all over the world, listen to me. In this case, they find out that this is fraud. If they request for the whole money, they did not make mistake, but they still have consideration to collect half, then see her attitude.
Robbed my reputation, lied, wasted my time. Now, what's here? You sweat, yeah.
Imagine.
Because Mirabel helping other widows with $500,000 naira, is it a crime?
No.
From the beginning. If you are helped, you help other widows. Because for those of you share with Ogechi Okeke, the intention of NGO is it not to help or the other you help others?
So to accord it.
You are not even qualified to receive this money. Mashigi, I don't want to get return all the money.
Okay.
I never intend of. Because those of you that have been watching me, my initiative from day one is to make this girl be an independent woman to take care of her 4 boys and help others according to her story. Tell me that Auroma, my NGO are entitled to sue this girl to court and take this money back. Is it a fraud or not?
It's a pure fraud. Pure fraud. Guys, share this video.
Now let's proceed. Marcia, all people will start contacting you with lawyers and sue you because I am not someone who took people's things. Actually, who take people's things like this. I am a straightforward human being. Some people donated because they think you have nothing. No one, you have nothing. No one, nothing, no, knowing you are not a widow. Imagine me when I type here, sometimes I will not type, but you got what they meaning. Not knowing that you are not a widow. Because I put on line, the man give video complete hours, 3 days, despite that he posted. May under that you are a widow. Now, let's proceed to see. Marcia, send $500,000 back to this account. Yeah, with that account of a widow, literally send there. Yeah. By then, I have not sent any account. Oh. Yashi, I have nothing, my queen. Marcia, some people donated because of Yashi. Yeah, reply to that message. Yashi, I have nothing, my queen. Please don't push me much, please. I am begging you.
Karate change go. Karate change automatically.
Yeah, what's wet, Mirabel? With this, go and divide this money. Give to another widow. With Mirabel, no man, no sweat. Now let's continue. We have a lot. Yeah, Shemo. I have nothing, my queen. Please, don't push me. Sorry, yes, don't punish me much, please. I am begging you, please. Please, and please. Marcia, I mean you have no husband. That's what I mean. I reply me here, Marcia.
You mean you have no husband?
He were a husband, not knowing that he were a husband. Let's continue. Yashim, his people. This one. Okay. Okay. Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. 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 Now, Yashi, his people is pushing him to leave us, please, my queen. please, I am begging you. I am not a fraudster, please. I am begging you, please. Is devil work? Open eye Ekwensu.
Ekwensu ataga afọ n'aka Mirabel.
Listen here to the voice. Listen, Mirabel. I'm totally not happy, and I don't want to go on social media to tell people that this is all make-up stories. Because a lawyer deposited 140,000, and other people that deposited, the guy that deposited 50,000 is also a lawyer. So they will mess you up. I am being honest with you. So what I'm going to advise you, divide that money into 500,000 and send it to another widow's account, which I'm going to send to you. There are a lot of widows that are passing through now. So to avoid all these things, I will just let you use half of the money, and you have to deposit 500,000 in this account now. Let me use it and help other widows. That's one thing I don't do. Don't because you ask for 100,000 and they raise it like this amount. So let me just give you 500,000 and get deposited the remaining. Or I will just go, people start asking for their money back and they will lose everything. So decide on what to do. Okay, this voice note. Two people contacted me. I'm making another video that the Palace of Fools posted in their platform. And when a man is from Germany, they deposited 100,000. Another person about now a lawyer, they deposited 200,000. Now Mirabel went to the money. Mashi again went to the money. Upon they send the whole thing. So Mirabel that in some of them are lawyers. That need to refund this money. Refund or get into two near widow. Or get sent there to widows. The gala, get one thing. Let's continue. Yashi, please, I have messed up enough. Please. Mashi, stop this. You must refund half of the money, or you will be sued. Decide what to do. Yashim, please, my queen mother, please, I'm begging you. It is frustration that lead me into this. They want you. Yashim, please, the money you asked me to divide into two is too much. For me, please, my queen. Up when you know 100,000.
Greediness.
Up when you know 100,000, because I'm that. Now, I'm sure divide here 500,000 to give widows. No, okay. This is too much. Ego Mirabel Torasho number one on our way widow. Thank God no chat money. I didn't add anyone, or did I remove anything? Now, Yashim, please, the money you asked me to divide into two is too much. For me, please, my queen. I'm numbered, my watch. I don't know. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on my knees, begging you in the name of God, please and please. Mashia, are you okay? Those money is not yours. People will ask for their money back. Refund that money or lose it all.
Okay.
You ask for 100K and the receipt 1%. Kindly do what I told you. You don't have to plead on anything. Or I will go back there and ask people to locate you by you send information to your bank to locate you. You can understand what I'm saying. And you will go to jail. You use your information and open that account. This girl with idea how to withdraw every money in our account.
Okay.
Mashia, think about the implications and save yourself from all this problem. Or I will contact a lawyer and serve you papers. I swear to God. This girl look at me here. I'm sorry to call Ama this because another thing.
Guys, share this video. Share this video. Click the share button.
Withdraw the whole amount of money non inside account here. Listen, because I hope you guys are seeing this. Okay, yeah. Now you guys can see it very well. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, Mashia, don't say I didn't want you. Mashia, don't say I didn't want you. Yashi, I can't have issue with you, my grandmother. Good. Yashi, I can't have problem with you, my grandmother. I hope you know very well. Very well. Okay. Mashia, just do the simple thing and forget others, or end up losing it all. Also, fix the law. Yashi, I told you that both of us did God's wedding, my queen, and you said I should not mention. I want to say. Defend the way you
correct. Okay.
I told you that both of us did God's wedding, my queen, and you said I should not mention his name while doing the video. Thank God you have already said it. Oh, come now, now this girl will be pure devil.
What do I call it?
But one people no when I'm going to be on one way show. One people no not confessing. Oh, no matter. This is afterthought. Thank you. Afterthought, yes. You want to go? Yes, I will follow. They want you after consulting. Yes, I will follow your footsteps. Yes, my lady, the money you asked me to divide into two is too much. Please accept me. Please, I'm begging. I'm begging you. My lady, I told you that my late husband, younger brother, got married to me. The owner, she have changed her statement.
Okay, I got to be clear here.
Have you seen that this criminal, who knew she have changed her statement? Have you seen it? Have you seen it that only Bagamu for lying that Naya got wedding? Okay. People, those people show but the people have part of the story. I am to show just no football on ma. Just don't again matter the truth. We got it on to change this. I'm not more what I'm before. I buy your food. Now, Yashi, I told you we both married. Now, Mashia, when did you told me that? All you said was you guys did tests. Don't play with me. I swear you will regret this. Did you all told me that he fathered your children? Actually, Mashia, did you tell me that because you went on I must be here now, but you will understand what I meant. Mashia, you must do it. Mashia, you must do it or lose it all. Choose one. You never said that. You have all our chats. Mashia, go back and bring where you stated that. At this point, she have started contacting people from different angles.
Okay.
Getting ideas, forgetting that when he heard charter. Before now, because Abalaya divide this money. Abalaya divide this money. Mirabel, I got sick with your help. Everywhere.
Okay.
Mashia, do you know that you are lying what okay can? Mashia, do you know that you are trying what okay can? Whatever, because my mind, do you know that you are trying to know what Ogechi can do? Mashia, don't try me. I swear to God, you will end up regretting this fake game you now.
And not related to today.
Marcia, you played. Don't try me, I swear to God. You asked for 100, you asked for only 100K. And you got more than you asked for. You must give half of that money to other widows. Or you will lose all. Did you hear what I said? Bikon, onye restrego with the fake information you will widow. Okay, divide the account, other widow.
Trying to find a soft landing for yourself too.
Yes.
You now come out and tell people.
That the ego divided me into two.
Wrong information.
Yes. But they will have half of the money in your widows.
Person that really is qualified to have it.
My brother, my advice is this lady way back then.
Your name, save your platform.
For lying, I cannot give you all the entire money.
The husband can even take us off.
Even the husband can even sue me for promoting that. No, Nati. Don't run. Did you get my point? Now let's proceed. Actually, because I will make sure a lawyer serve you a paper. I am not playing with you. I am happy that the video is a big evidence. My lady, I told you the true voice call. She no Mirabel. You have put that through voice call. I can't even play it now. You have put that through the chat. You have a voice call. You know that chat money is so line. You have to go put that post center. You have through voice call. Thank God the Lord sent their through voice call. You know that chat money. A voice call. You have put all of them because you don't know the agama here. Yes, Yashimashi, resend the voicemail because I am warning you now. Shimia, resend the other voice note. Mashia, I'm warning you now. Don't think I'm playing. Until remember you told me when making the video, I should not mention my late husband brother, which is still the same argument.
Guys, share this video. Share this video. Let the world know the people once and for all.
God knew that man is married.
Even before Mama did that, they married.
Don't mention the man's name or don't let them know about the man. Not because you're married to the man.
Thank you.
Because you are using your money
Thank you.
That's the reason.
How would you come in public mention that this man in Nigeria who got what they call?
Not because you are married to the man.
That you are married to a man. How can you marry to a man?
All of us have seen at what point Oge got to know what happened.
What point? One after another.
Go back to the point. Don't mention the man. Don't mention the man because you're spending your money on the man. When you're not married to the man, you're a widow.
Exactly.
The man. Who does that?
Because I go on at what point and point. Mirabel look at the way. Mboji Lord in Ambolud. I can't know Mirabel when they use runs life for ya.
Yes, we saw it.
Do not mention this man. Can they man up now? Eba tap with a hooking at the radio because every can they buy it. Now let's continue. Yashi, I told you this. Remember, Mashia, yes, so that people will not think you have someone who is already helping you. I told you so, but not knowing that you are married. I'm going to read the message.
Clear.
But not knowing that you are married. Yashi, my lady, please, the money you asked me to return is too much. Please, mercy for me. Small, please. Please, I'm begging you. Mirabel bent on because Ashia were half of the money the widows.
You have to say the substance of
You have to say the substance of everything. You know the message ni nemu na egu enwere nke adre na nke minus because she can send their own message.
Way to the part of now plan.
Because one shine ya no time because na gas stress. quiet. Mata mbe. Each conversation to each conversation bido. Now let's continue. I was thinking you people were dating, which is exactly how Baramo. I have forgiven you, Bonariopiko. Mashia, but you must share the money to other widows. Do you want to lose it all? The reason account get involved. We are going now with a long way to go.
Okay.
Okay, I will do as you said. The bank got replied, I will do as you said. Mashia, do it because many people need help.
Correct.
Mashia, do it because many people need help too. Some also promise to send you money. I am not happy with you. I swear to God. I am so hurt and disappointed. I look like a fool.
Correct.
I am so ashamed of my honesty. I swear to God.
So sorry about that.
Yeah, him now, but Mirabel, with all Bimboa. With all Bimboa, this girl they play them with on the Chaburu life. Now let's continue. Yeah, the Bible says, I will obey you, my queen. And I will obey you, my queen. And I will never ever let you down in my life because you are my Messiah. Because you are my Messiah. Sweet mouth,
It's come on.
It's a criminal.
It's come on. Was open to anybody convince you. Oh, yeah.
Yes, you are my sister. She are no more helping anyone without visiting or investigating.
Very nice.
Yes, you are my life. Please send me your personal account. Can I get personal account?
In Ania.
Without advice.
Within the Palace of Justice and Truth.
Don't receive any person with those accounts. Yeah, return one. Yeah, it is with my actually. Please send me your personal account so that you will use your hand to give to them. Please. Ehonanga account to get involved.
Yeah.
Ehonanga account to Ogechi get involved. Hold on. Ehonanga account to Ogechi get involved. This is how I got involved in my personal account. This is how this girl, I never knew that this is a planned girl. You send the other my personal account to her screenshot to her. Yes, send the other her. Change my enemy. Ihununga personal account Ogechi get involved. Yeah, she please. Mboto chanamushi nangu Messiah ya. Nangu nka. Yeah, she please send me your personal account so that you will use your hand. Give it to them, please. My queen, please, I'm begging. Yes, please, I'm begging you in the name of God to pardon my manners. Please, I told you because I see. I told you because I seen you as my blood sister. I will never let you down.
Guy woman.
And I even plan to see how I would do visa for you and your kids. Child, you has messed me up. So all this has turned to regrets. Where did I go wrong? Upon that I plan, I can forge ahead. Come to my angel, an invitation letter. Let me be here. Where have I gone wrong?
Very bad. Very, very bad
now,
indeed.
Let's continue. Yes, my queen, if you visit me, you will. No, I am helpless right now. My late husband brother is planning to marry his own wife. That is why life is hurting me, because his brother told him to do so, and I have been battling this. I've been battling this pour my heart pain, whatever. I don't even care, but you guys can.
You guys can see how manipulative this lady can be. She is a manipulator. She's going so many ways. It's not even going straight to the discussion. Now, the same man she's talking about is still living with her till today. Mirabel, the evil.
Read it. Yeah, my friend just want to use my NGO here to fight for your children. My friend, NGO, she and combine this thing together. And he can use you to fight for your children. Oh, my friend will NGO. I'm gonna mention my live video. Masha, my friend, I just want to use this my NGO here to fight for your children. Masha, God, how did I got myself into this problem? Yeah, my queen, please forgive your little daughter. Yeah, change. I was him little daughter.
Yeah, I was the little daughter.
Sorry.
One of the 4 children.
I was my little daughter.
Manipulator.
I was my little daughter. Mashia, I am so hurt. Why would you make me look so disappointed? Yasha, my queen, remember, if I keep on selling my body for money, I might end up in contacting HIV. Yeah, with the same thing in I had to stop that life or she will contact HIV.
Yeah.
Now she repeated it. Now she came back. Now I contact HIV. Let's continue. Yeah, Marcia, you know that's why I took your case personal. Marcia, you know that's why I took your case personal. Marcia, but you have disappointed me. Please send the money to that. I will use it to help others. Marcia, God, if you want my personal account, I will send it. Then I can reply, if you want my personal account, good. If you want my personal account, I will send it. Do you know what I plan to do for you and your children? May swear full stop. Yeah, reply, I know my queen mother, and I am your daughter. Yes, my queen mother. Yes, my queen. I wanted to surprise you. Yeah, my queen, please don't stop your good plan for me. Please, I cherish you so much. My keys were sent. Actually, my kids were sent out of school because I have stopped that dirty life of mine and things became unbearable for me. And my late husband, younger brother, is about to leave us to get his own wife.
Till today, they are still together.
My queen, I am on my knees begging. You have to have mercy. That's what prompts my account number. Baby Mirabel screenshot to send the random mother.
Okay.
This place, my personal account number, Mirabel screenshot to send the random mother. This is how my personal account got involved. I want to know how my personal account got involved in Mirabel case. Yeah, I have many widows who sent me their video, but I took your case personal. Yeah, you would do this. Why would you do this? Oh. Why would you do this to me?
Guys, share this video. Why? And I'm not afraid of share here. Share the video. Let others see the truth.
Yes, I have walked through the deepest tears pain and rejected by people I called my loved ones. My queen mother, please tell me how much I will put into the account.
Yeah. $500,000.
Information from other people what to say. I never knew that this girl is working with people. All these things are strategies.
Correct.
I never knew that this girl would end on a web short send the account number send yara. Now I return or can reply ya. While I watch up me go like since someone who they could get $500,000. $500,000. Yeah, they seek advice from Amma and other people. queen mother, please tell me how much I will put into the account. Let me use order to start something. Please, my queen. Match, I have 1 million. And you use other one. I am so disappointed. Yes, my queen. I know. Please, mercy for me. Small, please. I'm begging you. Mashi, and just do what I told you. Please. It's too much for me to bring out. Please. Remember my late husband, younger brother, is now seeing it. And the pains I will face through. Please, my queen mother, Bikono. After all Chochanam again,
imagine that. What to try this question? You go see no gini orege kurukunye na the thing. Na the course no go a lot of people need engineer ya. Na go you hug nege. She couldn't be able to send the money. Are you getting the point? She couldn't be able to send the money. She couldn't be able to share the money. It is where you know other widows. Ogechi Okeke straightforward on what discussion you na discuss. Now the cost of manipulator. You know there on a ganilu now manipulate now one or two things to say. Okay?
Conversation again. Yeah, divert another conversation. Everything is she made. Yeah, because she now you're seeing this Koryoga. The game this devil is playing. Let's proceed. Marcia, I will not argue on this. Yashi, please, Marcia, you will lose everything. You will regret even coming online. All I'm telling you to avoid any legal problem. Yashi, no problem. Yeah, Marcia, and I will remove everything. Yashi, let death come and kill me. My life has come to an end. I will do that. Let me just die away. I will do as you said.
Okay.
Another threat. This has been this girl's strategy. I may play some of the videos just to cool her down. I will play some of videos. This because she ran on this video. Because Abrala Hamo Yakesa everywhere. This is the way. The same Mirabel which put a life. Kahaja manipulate Hashi. Igbo and Igbo Ogechi Njaka, we will raise money for you.
Okay.
And this has been the game.
You are right.
They pursue that person inside him boss. The reason why I'm doing this is only meant for my new followers. Go no matter here what happened. Now let me continue. Yeah, we don't threat me when I give women. Marcia, do whatever you like. If that's what you want to do, if that's what you want to do, think about your children. You ask for 100K. So don't play that game. I will not contact you again on this. Every sin has consequences. Yeah, reply, I'm Yashi my queen. Please collect 300K, please. Mercy for me small, please. My queen, Biko, Menana Meberi. Marcia, I will not do that. No, I am not. Actually, I'm not collecting this money for myself. Error in type. Marcia, I'm not collecting this money for myself. Because you don't need to bargain for anything. Yashi, please, I am tired of living dirty life. Marcia, bear that in mind. Go and pay that money.
Simple.
Yashi, please, have mercy, please. Yashi, Marcia, don't say I didn't warn you. You see how nice I am. I know that is why I am begging you. That is why I'm begging you to please. Marcia, that's the same way you wicked that is the same way my wicked mind make something. You know, type error because I was angry.
Marcia, I will file the case against you that you use my NGO to fraud people.
Collect.
Yeah, wait till you wait. Now reply. See this girl. Yeah, Biashim. My queen, yes, you are a wonderful woman. And nobody will know about this because it's your image and it will remain a great secret. Please, I'm begging you. You want to start it? You want to start it? You have to get your name or secret.
You know?
Now she has. I may play part of Ama's video. Don't worry. Here we have Guarayane, and she is playing the game very well. Marcia, and this is a big offense. Marcia, stop pleading. I have told you. Choose one. Please, even people know me. Yashi, even people know me as a widow. Yes. Yeah, Papa again. The first assured.
Widow kwa?
Now, even people come here as a widow, that means everything in this girl don't know everybody that she's a widow. That means everything this girl ever you know everybody now we widow because some of the people name widows. Now let's continue. Marcia end up losing it all and also go to jail. That one alone will end you in jail. I am replying here. Yashi, please, when a poor person sees light, she pray not to go back to poverty again. Yashi, I rather die myself than going to jail. I rather kill myself before going to that place. Now let me play the voice notes. Please listen. Now my own voice notes.
Mirabel, please, the one time we chat about it, I'm a very busy person. Decide what to do before this day today runs out because I'm about to contact a legal lawyer in Nigeria. Even when I just wait and see what you're going to do. Go and release that money, $500,000 naira. Pay it to a widow's account or you pay it to my personal account as you requested. This is a fraud, complete fraud. And then you will end up going to jail, seeing your children. At the process, claiming that you are a widow while you are not. That video is a strong evidence. I just forward to write everything. Yes, we discuss and finalize that I should get back to him. And then just take just a simple advice on Waragi. You ask for 100,000 naira and you was raised for a minute. You will lose everything. And you will lose everything. They'll confiscate your account. It's a fraud offense. If you don't know the law, you better go and read it. Be careful. Be careful. Decide which one to go. Release half of the money or lose it all. Also end in jail. Claim to kill yourself. That is your strategy. I don't believe anything that comes out of your mouth. If you want to kill yourself and leave your children better, if you want because of the money that you did not earn or the one you like to get, because of the money that you release here, and you want to play smart about it. Think of women development like you end up. This is not the first time I work with human rights activists. The mess will be don't really know who it is. But that will be your man to go be your John Day. I am warning you. Just take my simple advice or you will end up crying and you will not get any help. All I want you to do is that release that money and I will use it and help other widows. There are many on the list waiting to get help. You are married. You are married. You have somebody you are with. You're not a widow. That video is a critical evidence against you. Don't play with me. Don't take advantage of my kindness because I will make sure that I mix you up. Don't. I always do things in a normal way. All I need to do now is just to send this human rights activist lawyer. They will mix you up. Just release the half of the money and I will use it. You will see it. And then maybe everybody getting the money, you will see it. I'll be doing live video. The way you the money you make. Like I told you, because of your lie, every lie with the consequences. Or you end up I swear, Shiggy, just take 100,000 naira and release the remaining. Be careful. I'm gonna now this video will end very soon, but don't end here. I will start from where I stopped.
Okay,
this video will end anytime from now.
Yeah, okay.
But please make sure you come back because but I will start from where I stopped. Any second option na this voice note. Ashimia, pay it into the widow's account or pay it into the personal account you requested. Because I want requested in my personal account. Let's continue. Let me repeat it again. Here when it end.
Okay, on the video again. On the go. Okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. Sorry, my sister has been like.
Okay. Now, when you are free to call me. You are free to call me on WhatsApp or you send a request based on the video. I know for a long time till now. I think this is the end of it at the moment. The world have seen the truth. What transpired between Ogechi and Mirabel and Edo. Now, there's something I want you guys to understand about provocation. All this is I watch the ending. This is provocation. From 300, she's rising 300. From 300, you can see the right up there, 200. That means there are people that are backing her up based on that. I want to explain something about provocation. Provocation lead a man. In Anambra State. Provocation can lead you to do whatever you don't even intend to do as a human being. That is exactly what happened on this media to the extent maybe Ogechi Okeke. And remember, Mirabel is a porn star. Mirabel have several and so many pictures of her nakedness all over social media before she met Ogechi Okeke Njaka. If you look at those videos, you will understand that the lady is still tender age. That videos you see there in the 2018-17, some of them, is already on social network. And one of those videos was sent through Messenger. We're getting the point. Even asking the person to come online, let's chat. You will see all those things on those videos. Now, on this junction, Mirabel lied to Ogechi Okeke Njaka and her follower that she's a widow. You see everything in communication. And eventually they find out that the lady is not a widow. She confessed on the communication that she is using her ex-husband that died to be collecting money from people, claiming that she's a widow. She started asking Ogechi for forgiveness before she started contacting other people. Now, this lady involved herself with so many people, Ogechi in a problem. That is why all these things is going viral on media. Remember, many of those people that is having problem with Ogechi Okeke Njaka on social media, these people will contact anyone Ogechi helped. That's why you see that almost 80% of people Ogechi helped that period of time are against Ogechi through manipulators that are having issue with Ogechi Okeke Njaka. That is exactly what happened. Based on the interview she said that Ogechi showed that author on media. Anybody have right to show it on media now? It's for public consumption. Are you getting the point? The one Nkechi Benko is watching live and direct on YouTube, on Instagram. Is it not people, someone's own? What is different between that one and Mirabel's own? Mirabel's case cannot be even enter police station, not talk of going to court. The best thing Ogechi Okeke Njaka and her followers need to do now is to arrest that lady. Yes, because enough is enough. That is the best thing, to arrest that lady. Bring her to book. Let she come and explain how Ogechi wanted to get those nonsense. Those nonsense. That is the only option. Because she have done all this for all this while. The whole world is believing her thinking that what she is saying against Ogechi Okeke Njaka is true. Now you guys have seen all the evidence. What do you have to say about it? You can make a call on the WhatsApp. If not, we close. Or you can send a request. I think the message is very clear and understandable. For those of you who say, what did Ogechi do? You see the trans Ogechi Nwere so that the things will be well for her and her children as a widow, not knowing that she's married. And when Ogechi find out that she's married, she still have a lovely communication with her. There are people that will see that they will begin to overreact. They will even collect the whole money because you lied, you scammed them. You scam Ogechi and the followers. They have every right to tell you, Mirabel, we want you to return all the money. Because from the beginning, you are not truthful. They have every right to collect all the money. But eventually, they still consider her. Bring 500, let us help the widow. Now, they manipulated her. She requested for Ogechi's personal account. You guys see it there. Ogechi bring the personal account, thinking that she's still communicating with someone that is calling her queen, my angel, my messiah. She don't know that this is a manipulator, a criminal syndicate from the pit of hell. She don't know. But at the end of it all, the same lady come out on media and start insulting Ogechi, calling her a criminal, calling her a scammer, when the money is being raised with your own account. It's so painful and so annoying. All those things make people that have her, they could started sharing it all over social media, sharing it on comments, sharing it every angle. Today, who is crying? Who is frustrated? You are the one that is frustrated. You are the one going all over the world, telling them about your issues that is on social media. That is you are the one advertising it. Anyone that never see it before would like to see it. Many people that have that kind of dirty art on media never come out to defend it. Those that are defending it is unreasonable. People like Ogechi and Mirabel. That is why the whole world will have it. Okay? It's so uncalled for. It's so uncalled for that you videoed yourself. Several videos, different videos. You videoed yourself. You have different type of pictures. And you are accusing Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Why are you accusing her? Because she have seen this is a way of making money on social media. That is the only thing. She used Ogechi Okeke Njaka name to make money upon all the things this lady have done for you, all the plans she have for you. You come out on media, calling her all manner of names, trying to manipulate the public. Now the world have seen the truth. What transpired between you and Ogechi Okeke Njaka on this social media? The world have seen it. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, my darling.
Good evening.
Good evening, my darling. How are you?
Yesterday, being a me life.
Yeah.
Even everything that yesterday, today there will be nothing to talk about. Actually,
Yeah.
Like I've always said, that they are all hiding under someone to get revenge on Ogechi.
Yeah.
I put out one-on-one without being under either Mr. Obi or Mariam Shehu. These persons cannot stand Ogechi.
Very correct.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, even though they follow Chamu, where the remaining voice he played or the things he goes through, at least it will come idea. Actually, you know, this Mirabel's case. It's obvious that everybody man all because of Noah because that period I was trying to contact Oge was not getting back to me.
Okay.
So and Mirabel put on a pay that mmadụ ga-adịcha no convinced na a na-emewu ya. Because to be honest, if Oge had called, I would have sending a message to Oge about Mirabel. If Oge responded back, because he only wrote a lot of messages na messenger.
Yeah.
So probably she did not see my own. And then she couldn't reach out. So because of the Aqua Mirabel theory and all that, that thing now touched me. So we are sitting up for their police. Now they have problem.
Okay.
Now, Emma, what we are video yesterday. That is why they say it shall never be well with Mirabel.
Talk about it.
What we video yesterday. I see na Oge Miyasi Ogechi Ogechi should have been inbox.
Okay.
Now, Mirabel, when she the money Abrani, who are not one or two adjuto, so I keep on to Shimaro Ogechi. Or seem not now support Ogechi. As a matter of fact, Mirabel was one of those Ogechi may articulate, even a comment Ogechi or Chogi or finish Shegi and all that.
Yeah.
So Obram na for a while, they are now comments. So one day, or their comment here, one guy just say, hey, but this lady, no, for ya came bill, came Mirabel that day, because I have to ask her. She told me this part, but okay for this voice notes in the play, she must send give me. Because I don't know this voice notes,
Okay.
I for no put edge. I for no even so I won't come give up. But I let us know, maintain or naked, could not find out. But she did not also chat Yanoge or chat with Oge. And I didn't no send them and go feel Rudiria comfortable.
Oh, honey,
no.
now.
No, she didn't send any voice notes at all. So who were the idea? So who I believe you with that one that I pay Nancy and Oge because you have connection, So people like me, gullible people like me, came out to now give her voice. Now Mirabel told me. Now, for a while that she stopped commenting. So one day, they are commenting, we had the data, they are commenting. So now they are commenting. I will say, hey, because my girl, where have you been? I see now, what royal? Ogechi, I see child in me, we are contacting the American royal. Now that's how she now contacted Oge inbox. Then I cover Oge. So Oge decided, okay, don't get the account and all that. Now, Mirabel has told several stories. My video able to with Sumuya, my video able to Birakwa. Mirabel has told to a wild salmon fish. I mean, a salmon fish, no matter how wild all the, I don't talk about Mirabel Gisha Larry. Because for a long time I've been quiet. This girl has been lying against me. Meanwhile, Guamome, California, not to be giving her, supporting her. Whereas I never, I just know she no looker. Maybe she don't know the same thing.
Very manipulative individual.
So now, maybe California, you know some people are Hannah to give them a see. And I've been watching this Mirabel, he got by ye, so we got by ye. And you can never have peace in your life till you die. Give voice, I'm gonna ask you, did they go furnish? Because you've eaten my money. I've come out to inherit enmities because of you. And yet, you think you have the guts to go to pages to be insulting me, calling me as Mirabel. You will never see peace. You will never know no peace till the war.
Amen.
And the last place, if they work again, everyone can be people give shit. I'm on a Any revelation they will take it and any man again you ever go to again, to any go that will be your last breath on earth. I get people shaking. Because I've been warning you, watching you.
Share this video, guys.
You feed
Share this video.
Your children. And they feed, even your children, train them. Because you can never be where I've been and where I will still be. You can never. What of course when my lady, they are very sick. Here in Metro Gate now.
Yeah.
Maybe. Ogechi ihe bịara na-ekwu yesterday na ọ nọkwara onwe ya Ogechi asị ya kọntaktị ya bịa na ajụ ajụjụ. That was not what she said. She will tell people one thing, she will come out again to say something else. Now, as na ọnwụ na ya tira ya tinwu sniper ka ọnwụọ Mirabel ọnwụ ahụ ijiri ọnụ gị profess ọnwụ ahụ ga-abịara gị. Because you lied to the world, you've dragged Akusayon into this. Just because Akusayon Ogechi Dinama, and then you ended up dragging
anybody that is close to Ogechi, friends to Ogechi, Mirabel will drag them. Once you are saying good about Ogechi, you are enemy to her.
I don't know why, every time ndị Igbo na-adọ ndị Igbo Christian, I think ndị Yoruba Christianity na-adọ their own pastors. Also, ndị Igbo ka mma na-call out their own pastors so shape ha. I don't know why. Now, ọ nwere ihe chọrọ ichetere ndị mmadụ. Bekee nọ na nga na Senegal. Mgbe m pụtara bịa na-ere ezi ego. Mirabel called on a day waters program.
Okay.
You see this life, ọ na-adị mma ka mmadụ na-eme ihe ọjọọ. Now, Mirabel was supporting a day water because the day water was still fighting Oge. And I saw the whole thing. That's why you say, let's not fight a day water. A day water, the day water got put out from them. And the day water did come out because if you have made the day water safe, you know they are half the day water. What they did to day water, there's no way day water we even want to sit down with these people. Because even with day water, how to know cancer, this chimwanya, to know cancer. This hopeless woman now look at nka mami ya buru na ya na kpo okia yalam uyechi buru papa ya na mami ya collide ya bu papa ya all the fatherless. She's still husbandless up to today. Okia yalam can na kpo gift na okia yalam has real name. She's that woman. Oh okia yalam na uyechi, that is her real name. That's her real identity. You understand? You care about. Also, mommy had the husbandless. That woman is not married up to today.
Oh, majority of them all this is no go frustrated. And him when good character like PJ and Co. PJ,
I can imagine. J put that picture of both of them. I don't bring us the man picture. Or J put that picture of papaya. Say this one, they what there, and what's going on, please? Look at our fish brain. You understand? Now, this that period that we are now doing this water. Let's do the whole thing, You are saying these people, I will not join. I will not fight the day water because in that they will fight the day water, and the day I'm taking this and say day water won't get job, And I told Peter, you know this Peter. Okoye, Abraham, I said, he did water, your injection, these people. And I was right. You see, if they are not in force, they cannot fight the day water. If they are not up to 4, 5, 6, they can't fight the day water. Because the day water is the only man that will dismantle and destroy them.
Correct.
That is why actually buy the day water war. There are 4 of them, not on our platform. But how many they want and he has truth and facts to destroy them?
Let the devil in Canaan and all easy.
Yes. The same way Haman I'm not go with them and I'm each look and cranny, he need actually me. This Mirabel called man are changing again I can't to raise money. I have that video. Called in the day what I would thank when he did what I used to call a wisdom. Jesiah did you? Waja ori tina muno na anyị na-ere ezi ego na mụ na waja na-ere ezi ego ka anyị tinye Ogechi ji ruo hospital. If you want the video, I can send it to you. Okay. This is how evil this Mirabel did.
Biko, nyere n'aka jọrọ Mirabel na public kedu ihe my mother and my grandmother mere ihe o ji wee je na my compound uninvited, video them and bring it on social media.
Yes, that is because she's frustrated. You know, so she's a mommy and will stroke can't give you very soon. You know, Mirabel can never marry again till she died. So she's just Igbo Okoko, actually Igbo Okoko, Igbo Yemanolu. That's the stage. This is Mirabel's last stage now. Because very soon, these same people now will turn against Mirabel. She always scammer. Everybody will team up now to destroy her. And she can never go to anybody to help again. She's just taking her last breath. And I can assure her that. Because as long as I hear her voice, and she's been lying against me, it shall never be well with Mirabel. Mirabel, I got a free home man over here.
You say?
But actually not to get them. Onwe people no get ya kaye ga na agari ya. Otu ya mo otu ya ndị niile oyi ose dị cha otu igwe ka a ga na-apụta. Ndị niile macha Mirabel will see on nzuzu. You see very soon everybody will start coming out.
Of course.
They will even be right that they know her that she's a prostitute. Na ya kwa name for survivor.
Oh, ya nwa ka eji wee na ezi ozi ọma anyị na-ezi. Those ones na fight Ogechi because of Mirabel. Auto Mirabel should be sent to them so that they will know the truth. That is the gospel.
That's the same way also when there cause problem between Opum TV with Ogechi. Because Dr. Chichi and Ogechi. You understand? Obia, on that bigger platform, so now she's no longer, this is what she's been doing for years. On the different fake accounts, all this big platform to be begging. So that is no longer working now.
Yeah.
So it has resulted into coming out on their program. Obviously, that's now, as I'm Mirabel, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, because the old format that they use another works again. So Ogechi with fake accounts, anyway, giveaway. So nobody they give them anything because I said with the bank account, okay, we either go or so that part is not the work again. So you may have to pass it from platform to platform. I'm telling you put the reality, the truth. People have been using fake accounts in the big platform. So now, it's going to take adrosi enough.
Yeah.
As in now, in the watch here, anytime any of them wants to get steal money from the public, they come up with the name Ogechi. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Come and answer the police. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is hiding. You understand? Because I need the ego. You know, last week came with the beginning, go start like this week again now.
Now, I'm going to expose now. I just see to see an account number. Can you see now? Now, Ginger, I can post that.
Mirabel video yesterday, seeing account number.
Nobody will send sushi.
Yesterday, which is account number. Because she can never be satisfied.
I am not going to Mirabel can never scam again.
I know you will listen to Callisto's program. I am telling you today, the 29th of January. That's ego kegechi people get shiki. Okay for ego. The way to your go, that is will be your end. I gave people get shiki in that place in Nigeria. We don't or when you go Anambra, I gave Peki Makego. Now me they tell you. Because when we cannot go ends up in a bad way. And that's what will happen to Mirabel. This Mirabel when a program is water. See na muna waja na scam unde mado. Na raise ego na ken na would give ken is not coming out. Na ken need to ego. No gonna erase. No can we reach Ogechi. Go to the hospital. That video is there. But luckily they what they use to friend. See, gave the girlfriend or see for the girl go think about which she never did. Now look at all the things the what I was showing today. Okay. She was happy in that period because Idewota was fighting me and fighting Oge.
Yeah, right.
So every that time, when anything happened to please Idewota, so that Idewota, only thing and anything, people understand one thing, You see these people, if you don't understand this, their game, you will fall and be inheriting problem upon problem with people.
You're right.
Like you against I see she cannot fight. I think cannot fight Sharon. Sharon came out to challenge her. She could not. They were targeting her to provoke maybe Geraldine for Geraldine put her. Yeah, they maybe provoke Sharon for Sharon to come out. I know all those people. I know.
They are manipulators.
As long as I kill many people, I go to go. I got bloody. for blood, flesh for flesh. If I don't look for you, you look for me. Go anywhere, I will match you physically and spiritually. I don't be mercy for anybody this time around.
No mercy for anybody, my darling.
But I'm going to talk through the way truth be. Yes, somebody copy showed in one part as useless or people common deportee. People only on Noga happen Nigeria till war. Israel can never leave Nigeria now. Government Korea. No, so go to boy and a cookie boy. Oga turn on Nigeria. I'm not promised come here and agree on the and Oga would give them my money. I couldn't hear Allah the Madivaya. It's a promise.
Talk all it.
Now you cannot find out Ogechi say you shouldn't fight Benko. You did not fight Benko. And Ogechi is the one controlling you. Because you don't understand what sisterhood or friendship is. Yes, I was the one that approached Ogechi first. To live in Kiru Umaya. Kiru Umaya. See Abiko. Kiru has apologized. Don't fight in Kiru. Live in Kiru. They want to set a trap. You know, what we are saying, have someone else. So, Ogechi came to me and said, okay, I say I have a social person. Okay, now I have a Benko. But Benko is the main problem. Benko and Mirabel with the main problem at this thing.
You are right.
People will see with their spiritual eyes.
You are very, very correct, my darling. Christian.
Benko and these two people found outside. They are the main problem now. They are not on today. And one day everybody will realize this thing that I've been saying.
You talk all it.
You understand? Don't get it gap. Even when you supposed to make my approach, you could imagine my job. Until I made you the one thing. That I'm at the future, you get to be amazing, you're open in life, same because now have to Benko. Man, I hope I say you don't know this girl, no. This girl, you don't know her, or some people, for now, I'm just happy. It's okay for now. So, we don't get you a mutual understanding. You know why? Because we're sisters, we're friends. And friends can come to agreement to hold something, to stop something. That's why that period I gave her respect. She also gave me respect. And all that. I'm alright, baby. Take care. Bye. So, I'm going to use a mortgage for so happen Kiru. And you let me shop and say, okay, it happened Benko. Which I did. So I don't know what a common deportee, a useless like he's trying to say, Ogechi is the one controlling you. Ogechi is this, that. Ogechi is that. And this way, move on her. It's another way. Linear. What's the Ogechi now? So, when I go on holiday, when I look ever reach my level, when I go the bed they go. Oh no, Bruno, look at that. You can mean that very soon I get Puppy. I get she. It's a promise. The last one he can I get break she give me that bill. That means they tell you, man of God.
We don't the regular money.
Mirabel. Mirabel is a porn star. She's a professional porn star artist.
You are very correct.
Dubai. They should ask her. She knows I know that. So that was never history.
We don't the regular money. God bless you for your wonderful contribution.
God bless.
Bless you too, Naidarin Dalo. Chief Pilot Naidarin's sister, all the way from the UK. I so much love you. You're a woman of truthfulness and honesty. That is why I so much love you. My wonderful people all over the world, listen very attentively. This Nina Dera Nedo of a lady, you guys have listened to every communications between her and Ogechi Okeke Njaka from the beginning till the end. You can see how manipulative she is and how she is laying allegation on people, tagging people HIV, calling them names, doing all manner of things against them. Ask Mirabel and Nedo, what did I do to her on this social media that makes her to leave all nature, travel down to my village, enter my compound uninvited, on her camera, videoed my compound and my house, videoed my grandmother. My mother is on the compound, dyeing her hair as old woman. Even the cross she used to cover herself. She was communicating with my mom, recorded her, send it to Riak, send it to Kinsere. They use it to mock my mother on media. My mother, ask her, what is the problem? She said that your Caristus, your son, is sharing my pecus on media. My mother laughed and asked her, where do you know this Caristus? He said that he is living in Angola. It's his madam, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. He's asking her to be sharing my pecus. My mother laughed. I don't know you from anywhere. I never see you in this life. I have come across of your porn on media. I don't know you. Anybody have right to do what? To share it if you have it. But I never share it to anyone. I only come out to advise you. As a mother, you should stop doing all this nonsense you are doing on social media. The next thing that comes to your mind is to travel all the way from Onitsha down to my house to intimidate my family. Based on what? On that period of time, a lot of people is involved. People calling me, different lawyers. Even to the extent, a lot of people called me. Let us take this lady from Anambra to Abuja so that she's going to learn in a hard way. In calls, so that is why in the call, a lot of no followers in this again. I will call, even sometimes I understand I call with lawyers. We go here again, and they target we from Anambra to Abuja, and not let them. We draw lawyer involved, we see a decay when we can draw. In this kind of case, what we did is fate. Maybe need the records and not the rest of them. Can you hear me? Lawyer saying that in this particular case, 17 years imprisonment. Is a harassment, unwanted blackmail. Not that you need those things on media, you just go to their content and video them. That this case will be about 17 years imprisonment or more. You see, from there, I started beginning, even those that are on call, they are angry with me. I said, please, let it not be that I am the one, I begin to feel for this lady. After those who share those things, also know they got petition against me. Ndo Meriha. Ndo they involved. No they petition. Kinsele, Juliago, Oriako. They couldn't be able to give her 70,000 naira to the petition against me. At the end of it all, they did not give her the money. She come out on me to shout. After the petition, I come down to the child. I called you there on phone. Okwisi make case with the Karisu. So I carry phone. The lady does you does the next thing other social media gwan do. Na mgwara na ndi na hotel call. Na ndi na hotel then na kalaya. These are the things we are seeing from the side of Mirabel. Your child, to her that time, her half Mirabel. She still come on media to land. Blackmailing anyone that she see Ala Igbo Okeke Njaka, insulting them, calling them honor of name. Why? Because they did not support her movie. Listen to me. Anywhere you are all over the world, if you come to my comment section, you see anyone Mirabel in Boston, they will give it to you. I say so. They will give it to you so that you will know the truth. The Echoes is trending till 2019 till today. How many years? 6 years. And it will continue trending because the porn star want to be a celebrity by porn. She want the world to know her through that. That's why she go to big platform of our brother Rocky to advertise her Echoes. You go to the young guy comment section, you will see people asking for it. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Kingsley. You go to comment section of our brother, people are asking to see it. I want to see that so that I do what? I will give my own opinion. I want to see the Echoes so that I will give my own opinion. No, I see na the thing lele no original authors. No matter. Chai. Ndị agụata niile, ndị taa niile nọ na-agụata niile na-eso munu. Go and look for Mirabel's authors and watch it. I say so. All the towns in Agụata local government, all the people from Isofia, Ekulobia, Achina, Akpo, Umuchu, Achina, Achina, Umuona, Ibuku, Ezinifte, Ikenga, Oleri. Go and look for this lady's authors and watch it. It's very important. Let all the people that is from Achina, precisely, Oga, Umuchu, let them, Mbologu, let them go and watch that authors. It's very necessary. I am from the Ekulobia. I want to see. We are going to share it at land about Ekulobia very soon. Even people in Agba, they will see it. Nda grace Chukwu ga-afụ ya. All the people that land Agba, Omo, you go to Orunda. Omo we don rudi. Ndị be die reject ye because of those things. Ndị do nwunna reject ye. O nwere nwanne ha nwoke cousin ya na aka na akpa na phone today. Ọ sị na ha furu dị ọtụ. Achina niile gbalie. Onye ọra onye achina ife na na-eme ha. Since she went to us to advertise it, we are going to advertise that her autumn business. We are going to make the world to know that Mirabel's autos is everywhere. Listen, onye ati na ọra ha n'ife, onye si na all the stubborn, he needs onye the stubborn, he ga bow. Enwere ndị nwere ike inwe obi bie pictures niile na-ele ihe. Ụfọdụ someone can even join those videos together. A na-ele ihe na eke Ekulobia. Ọhọ business. Ihe nna agwago fat. Ọhọ business. O nwere ndị nwere ike iwere ya ọhọ business to them. Etinye na cassette, na-ele na DVD. Mirabel's authors Achina worldwide. Ndị Achina ihe eme ụlọ ebe ọhụrụ na akụkọ Mirabel bụ ụlọ. All the so disgraceful and so disgusting. Look at the communications. Very clean and sound. Ogechi is innocent of all the names. This lady is calling her all over social media. Every day by day, Ogechi this, Ogechi that. The world thinking that what the lady is saying is true, not knowing that she is lying against the innocent soul. Someone just helped you. Just helped you to stop your prostitution. You decided to destroy the individual on media. The whole world started believing your story. A lot of people fall victim. You scam them with the name of Ogechi. When everyone know that you are guilty, you yourself, you know that you are guilty. Neither there you can never go unpunished. You can never go unpunished for all the things you have done to Ogechi. You can never go unpunished. I am here on media to advertise your carnality, your sensible attitude. You were a disgrace to our local government. Everyone that comes from that local government is regretting ever seeing such individual like you. This period of time, the world will share it. The world will know that porn you want to act. Okwesina ni ịchọrọ ịnwụ, ị ga-eje golo original ọtatiata na eke kwulọbịa wee nwụọ. Enwere na eke kwulọbịa. Original one. Ị naghị eti ihe n'ọnụ 3 minutes ịnwụọ na 3 minutes. Even 3 minutes is too much. 2 minutes. Your own will be over. Akwụna na-enwe garage. And now watching it for all this while. You now commit all manner of crimes against humanity. Many people are dying in the hospital today. Ogechi Okeke Foundation, Okwesige standard, it's an ordinary standard. But one thing about social media is that people believe anything they see. Whatever people are saying on media, people will believe them. Meaning that you can never blackmail anybody anymore. All those your crocodile tears can never hold water anymore. I am telling you, since you continue calling the name of Ogechi on this media, Oto Gaga Neke this year, Uno na the social media of war. Sune Kenye the auto. That rotty it will feed in bottle. Any decay because when someone neighbor's conscience name something, it's showing Monia if you don't look at back. May you only see you so that it's going to learn in a hard way. Nkahaga. Look at your screen. You are going to see my 2 beautiful sisters. Can you see that? And we're wanting at that nation. When someone is not doing the right thing, then someone is making mistake. Sometimes it's not good to support everything. I am telling you the honest truth. The problem many people have on this social media is overhyping. Overhyping. Odd na work, odd na wine. You know what? Nanodi. I can send legal account number. Okay, what on identity one nature. So one nation card, then can celebrate one of God. Now I work for here. Spending our time and our energy talk is not easy. So come and support us. Come and support me. Let's tomorrow. You gotta go on my birthday. Now, and with some certain things in our body in life. As you go, my brother, I welcome you on this broadcast. After for a long time, I recognize you special. You're welcome. Truth is the only thing that we are going to use to build our nation. Okay? Sometimes in life, everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. There's things I want many of us to understand here. And I'm now for different comments all over the world. If Madam Justice posts something, you will see a lot of people being there, insulting Ogechi, insulting Madam Justice, even insulting themselves. If Ogechi posts something, you will see people coming on her comment section, insulting her, and all the rest of them. If I post something, I see a lot of people coming on my platform, insulting me, calling me all manner of names, all are welcomed. Is a character of Igbo. Is our character. We understand ourselves. You can see what I posted with the UK number, right? Now, one thing you need to understand about us is that now in a we walk, everybody will need when we walk. Unless you are not provoked. When you are provoked, you can overreact. Some time ago, when Ogechi Denko was bullying my family on social media, what comes in my mind is this. Let me go to Mkwere and print all those her pictures and post it all over social media, but I couldn't be able to do it because of my conscience. Not that something will happen.
Hello, man.
My brother.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. I greet you, station.
I greet you,
God bless you, sir. Welcome.
Okay, man. I'm just tell I'm funny in life.
Yes.
Yes. Thank God for
You're welcome, sir.
persons like you. Okay. There was a you know, there were some issues our Igbo people supposed to have been trashing. Everybody Africa trash.
Yeah.
And I believe in people who go do for the will amamiye nke Chineke ọ naanị ndị will amamiye Chineke be will ike water if it on board if you na akaketa.
Yeah.
Because when they go virus, because they carry virus of enmity, destruction, anaga, or power. Undani tikoto isi umuwanni no umuwanni. And we all put such a demonic and communicable disease. Anybody that comes around that person must definitely, because they are under a curse.
Very correct.
Originated from somewhere. And they are got free until we issue before me. Yamele Christ, and the word of God is the base of all things. People should begin to return back to base, and base is the word of God. We're singing the truth we know shall make us free.
Of course.
When people all of us would just say pity for you like this guy made interview. Some don't have vision, some don't have any plan. Just go whatever. They are just moving like a rolling stone that gathers no moss.
Yeah.
So if I follow this lady, mom or lady more, notice here. There are some people that will come around and notice you will they are the real, before they will design and spirit on your foreign and the frozen possessed with a demonic virus of destruction and conspiracies to pull other people down. Nyawa kahachoro kana draw attention on the man so that the name is we in Ala Igbo no one kwesiri team together can doors of passing, and that is what God has come to destroy totally and entirely and completely at this 2025. And this case of Ogechi is a trap set by God, but some people don't understand it. Only what we say man kemwe ebedo Ogechi batala this video chwari wa batadisi. There are some dangerous things, destructive things that started happening now. We just under few days and weeks, and which is there.
Yeah. Man of
there
God.
are a lot of things that have started happening. Yes.
Yeah, there is a prayer that you did one midnight sometime ago. I want you to repeat that the same prayer. All those ones that are gathering up to buy Ogechi Okeke Njaka now contribute to a group without even following the normal legal praise. Let God continue fighting them. After that prayer, one woman come out of media, started crying, even insulting you for such prayer. She also confessed that she's among those that contributed money that they want to use to buy Ogechi in Nigeria. So, when you have chance, pray that midnight prayer again. Ihe na-achọsi wechasi edere aka that woman a na-akpọ PJ Fashie Ikpu yichasi akwa ya gwọrọ na social media. Ịghọtago? So, repeat that prayer again, okay?
There is something I want to clear here. Like, I'm not a Saga person. The word of God, if you greet me, I respond by the word of God.
Pray in the spirit.
And I stand on the word of God, and the word of God is power. You know, the Bible says, and I can never respond to anybody. The word of God says, he watch Christ. Whenever he wants to respond to any issue, it is the word of God. Yeah. That is my pattern. And whether, no matter how angry hell is, heaven must win, which you have won. And the evil can never overcome good, neither shall a lie overcome the truth. So the wicked runs when nobody they pursue them. Ebele, I hear me.
Yeah,
whenever one man say no, but one big man. Or seven, but I'm saying if you try to open the church, you can't stop church. The old man could say, where's this man? If you are only big man, it's only that you are a big man in this society. I'm saying it I'm saying because you will definitely sell everything you have, put all your property and have only Bible, and you carry that Bible and follow me. Government people being saying no, forget about it. I'm saying, listen, you're emailing that man who when looking your boy and no response. But I remember that Elisha told 42 people, or say, may the Lord respond to you. Whoever that bring the one they have, God will respond back to them. People should return back. And this thing happened on Friday, on Wednesday. The woman at TVC. The word of God said that the word of God is a hammer that breaks the rock into pieces. The way Piabia hammer is here on 8247. The way on look at the hospital need it go have billion happen not solve ni maban. Maka ewelo dika na abo umu dika mwendo na agwe adabara Jehovah mba. On a who can battle with the Lord.
Nobody.
If you can battle, prepare for war. Where war not see, but to be you afraid because who will forget men. That woman died on Friday, on Wednesday. It check what if I'm a man. You know what? But if I hope the word of God say that a person shall be judged by what he says. I didn't respond to anyone. So if only God will respond,
yes, that is why can you hear me?
Or when it look at somebody,
yeah.
Look at how many of them have done it. How many of them? What is the problem of these people? And that's what I want them mad. If this matter they make end there up, and when you can sing or game making it, can you forgive me? 200 Philistines were gathered, where they brought the covenant box, the ark of covenant to Israel. However, one is celebrating a heart by young Israel. I'm not honorable, he would I'm not trouble to have a weapon. A way that's it. I'm able to say, if I name maybe Naniba Mama Ebosada, I'm not a covenant daughter of God, Madoncha at that team woke up. No Brune Mufuria, Nahaman Suike, Manakana last night. Anyway, as some of God their own meeting, Chineke Mego meeting, and I want to tell you very soon the door of mercy shall be shut down. They shall in turn, Yoba Ogechi, as I'm talking to you, all lie now, if you never back up and down. I'm talking to you because the vision given to Ogechi as this vision is angel helping hand, and that angel helping hand, angel helping hand, that angel that visited her and gave her the vision is about to begin to rise and stand by her. That angel has risen last night when God arise. And that angel will begin to visit people. Angel are back at some places. Even the housemates, will turn against their madams. Even their driver will turn against them. Even their gatemen will turn hammer them. It's abaco spiritual. It is an invisible being because the angel in charge of vision area, God says it's not her that are fighting, that it is himself. Father, I got a email, and prayers are on. And as long as there are widows, so-called widows, that have been blessed by this daughter of God, and her also go and check what God says when the case or matter of widows are tampered with. People all over the world, Nigerian government should listen, because when media everywhere, as long as these people are with and also when they make it, oh yeah, yellow fando, oh yeah, me business, oh yeah, you aqua, oh yeah, but Nahana, Eleni, I hear me, no more name of Furia, Yahamankwe, all that double equal, but everywhere Nigeria needed to talk here. I'm what the next in the line up. I'm just telling people, if there is a door for peace, then you make peace. If that we are not begging anybody, God says we should tell Ogechi never to beg anyone. How will they for our Chineke Pro in Aqua? I hear me. Chineke Gana to hear or Brosiawa or Kana Kodifa. Why say that Igbo people cannot? They cannot do this thing. They cannot unite together. They cannot love themselves. I hear me. Yeah. They cannot love themselves. And this woman, this a wonderful daughter of Igbo. That woman is with a problem. No deceiver. This is a wonderful. That woman has a vision, has a mission, which we know whatever. Oh well, media justice. That woman has something. It was something God is raising, and though when he for raise no kid, he make it for mother now. In the at the end, go and read your Bible. You know, the man they have something to do in the nation on the land. That woman was a great vision, and the way to get here, well, Nigeria need a man. That woman, as I'm talking to you, I know what I saw by last night. They should tell her, I don't know her. But no human being. Because crisis where Bagua, it was God, also quite another religion. God is one. More be Christian. Where request of Christ. Can he feed Choro? Can he feed Nani? Jesus, when we say, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they do. Let him go, and that's all. When I was here, Nampuni. On total listen, I have Chris, I got them, any voice that tells you, Christ, and that was the last final battle that devil, I hear me wanted to use to win Christ. Jesus, where am I? I'm also getting over. We win. Any voice that says somebody should not forgive is a satanic voice. I'm telling you. Any voice someone has said, "Mano, please, one lady." Is a satanic voice. And when I found out so actually, and if it's sort of this woman, Mirabel, Timbua, Bona, Asina, Okoko Bona, Lufro, Yuri, or the Timiri, on a million of those who are Macassia.
Talk
You know, if I'm not one.
Yeah.
That this woman, no na fufu, si na ebu a widow. Ogechi, Odechi anya, afuna mmadụ nọ n'afụfụ. I know it. O mego n'iru m. O dina n'ime etiti ime abalị. Ọgbọwa ndị ọkpọtụ ndị mmadụ. Na ọ ma alaba ụra until ọ help mmadụ. Onye ọ mara ebe o si. Today, ọ mara onye ha ụlọ. O mepere ha business. What is them? I don't understand. If a man you should appreciate and acknowledge the one that has the grace to do it. Oh, yeah. You got to go. If you know your Hajanuku, kindly below your sibling, okay, one another was okay. Kaina Quado 1 night, 1 night, walk 1 night, why? A success of one is a success of all. And you hear me? Attack to one is attack to all. It was a question. On one side, I'm a defending quiver. There is a serious sign that I'm seeing that is going to happen. People should unite. When they got say forget anything, people unite and do something reasonable. Look at the suffering everywhere. We was saying but no walker. So that woman will get you for a data warrior. One team will back on a social media. What are the for we be yellow marak, will get in a like Ogalo yak. For on the race, you go send in go send the gonabia. Sikeria madone detua. Sikeria madone detua. The joy over the first time that we celebrate we do. Or carried by in a big place, 12 millions around on my on the widows like to celebrate and give them joy. I hear me. And someone will be connected with the Linka. And after that, some see end them one again the same thing. But now say we take until I know the truth. People are now judging Madi anyhow. So all you now look at the woman on a back when I up and down. You know what? She rewarded evil. She rewarded evil for good. That won't get it into her. Otari. So that thing. Now the thing now is coming back. They were singing up. No Bruna. When you have got it all back, you have from that first time. Now the Henny at what you go now. On the best to every platform now. After me, what that it has is a spiritual implication that is attached to every action that people takes. I'm telling you, all you on the mountain is up and down, and that thing is a cause. The only thing that we help her also, we are going to ask you, she should come out and apologize because it will anything record of everything. People should be careful and know how to attach themselves and people that carry cause up and down. You got again now, I cannot hear me on you.
Which one, man of God, we are listening to you.
So, she should not people will you make hammer so no borrow when they not like Ihoma at all. You gonna ask of Apostle chapter 13. In my Apostle Paul or see Elimas, not very close to a governor who put on no bioma. One day Apostle Paul with apostolic grace, invaded that place. Which warrior will say, you the hater of everything that call good. There are people that hate everything that is called good. As long as you have a good heart, you open a mouth as long as no power name here. One day, really think better, really hate what I can't believe. They will gather people to make sure they hate you. And Apostle Paul said today is your day of judgment. No give ways and no way ways. No one in Nigeria, Afihoma, Kome, and Igbo, Mamadi family. Fight against ways, not Jesus Christ.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man of God. Thank you.
Thank you, Adam.
I am still also begging you one thing before you go. That kind of midnight prayer, do it again. They shall surely confess. I'm telling you the honest truth. Thank you very much, and God bless you, sir.
God bless you, Adam. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bless everyone. And love what is good.
Thank you. Wow. That is wonderful. I want to tell you guys one thing. I wonder one day this woman. And I want you to understand. Yes, Mirabel and Edo is an evil lady. But that does not mean that this woman you can throw from far away. that their fruit you shall know them. And I'm not all the time. Once Ogechi Okeke Njaka is into this charity organization she is doing, I am with her forever. Nothing will change it. That lady has saved a lot of souls in Nigeria who have got to do under the treasure. This our man of God that called here. I know how his friendship with Oge started. I want to relate it to you. I'm going to nobody see now with a computer call on a record, on a memory. Our man of God, how he started working with Ogechi started one day. There is a woman, I think she's a widow, with children. Landlord threw them out of his house. Imagine you yourself being uno. You couldn't uno. You didn't hear you once when you survive. At the end, the landlord got threw out of the load with the property and all the rest of them. No hate from anywhere. God used our man of God to come to Ogechi. No, Ogechi ni no money for ma. Object to Ogechi send a queen. Now one day mine out for ya no onwolo do bibi. A second that solution there. Na say for zewu. Either kwuru nwanyi ugwu na I think 2 years with ụmụazị ya. Folish the house. Tiko cutting everywhere. Nwaanyị na ụmụazị na-enwe anyị ndụbata ha niile. A na-ekene Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ndị ọmara from anywhere. On all the way from America, raise ego kiam. Everything niile go away for the woman. Etu a nke Ogechi and this is our one of God. The way they connected to today. And our man of God is a trustworthy individual. Forget good about and I got church you and a little and a nenka. Give on no way as a human being because he based boom madam. That is the gospel. In a church, you will menana, you will nika. Personally, you're supposed to be good. Make people to trust you. A lot of people on this social media have tried me with money. And they queer all the time. Many people is sending money to my account. Give it to this social person. To know if I am a trustworthy individual based on money. Many are doing that. And when they gain millions, they will deliver it without even taking a cent from it or any story. They still exist. We have a lot of good men and good women in Nigeria. In Igbo land, we have many of them. Everybody is not a scammer. Everyone is not a wife material. Everyone is not a husband material. My name with a lot of white material. Nwee a lot of husband material. Enwere ndị ị ga-eme itie na ndụ gị ịfụ na enigwe a na-ekwu nakwa n'ụwa. So man of God, we appreciate you. Emmanuel, we appreciate you in a special way for maintaining dignity and being yourself. May God continue to bless you. We so much love you. Now, I want to talk a little about this, our beautiful sisters you are seeing on your screen. Then after that, we close. There's one thing you guys need to understand. onweghị anybody ọra nọ n'ụwa enweghị enemy. Ọ bụ na enweghị enemy, nwa na-enweghị human being. People will dislike you for no just cause. They may see that your life, you are more progressive than them. Envy and jealousy will come in. That is why everything on earth is recorded in the Bible. There is nothing that is happening on this earth that is not recorded in the Bible. Go and check it there. Any problem you have, the solution is in the Word of God. If you are progressive more than others, you are doing great more than others, enemy. Bear it in mind and listen very attentively. Enemy. Yen you talk and zozi abuna, and I'm different kind of comments. We now educate the conscience in the matter. Some will come out of media and tell you there is no forgiveness in my dictionary. There is no forgiveness in my dictionary. Now, my question to those people in what if you mistakenly offend someone? Will you ask for forgiveness? You offended someone. Will you ask for forgiveness? Number one question. You that is wishing evil to someone, what if what you are wishing that individual happened to you? What will you do? A lot of people would enjoy. Ina comment no one na platform more than justice eto odo no ko ndị a chọrọ evoke the spirit of more than justice ka obi no mebe ihe niile ha chọrọ. If you have your own problem, settle it the way you feel like to do it on this social media. Marian Justice and Ogechi Okeke Njaka are sisters. Your opinion on their matter never matter. Your suggestion never matter. Your idea never matter. What matters is that two of them settled as a sister. And I see greatness through them. Most especially in Igbo nation. The world have known them. They are now celebrity. We are looking up to them as celebrity. Let us see what they are going to present after this peace. That is where people are looking up to. What they can do in Igbo nation. A lot of people will come to them and listen to them. Your opinion don't matter because many of you are very mean and wicked to humanity. Anywhere I go to and comment, a lot of them will be there attacking my comments, saying all manner of things. Onye m nere offend woman and justice, not you. Which in a due time, I will come out and apologize to her because she's my sister. Forgiveness is divine. Ọ na Chineke n'onwe na-ewere onye ọbụla iwe based on our attitude. I don't think no one in America 20 years or more can that God overlook some certain of our attitude and forgive us. Onwe onye emejọghị ibe ya. Mana justice na-ejọrọ Ogechi. Ogechi na-ejọrọ mana justice. Mana justice na-ejọrọ mụnwa. Emejọkwara mana justice. But you guys don't even know the history of anything. You just jump into conclusion because you hate this individual. Onwe onye we sent n'ụwa niile. These beautiful sisters you are seeing here, I love them. Because I love them, many of you will be fighting on comment section. Why do you love them? Why do this? You insulted her. Why are you reminding me that I insulted my sister? Is it your business? Face your own case. If you have a case with Caristo, come on with it. If you have a case with Mana Justice, come with it. If you have a case with Ogechi, come with it. Stop hiding under someone. Stop fighting for anybody. I make it clear on the video. Stop hiding under someone to Ogechi. If you have a case with Ogechi Okeke Njaka, bring it on. Come with your own case. Present your case. Start when I justice Ogechi una na-ebute videos na-post una nwadukwu ihe. Jiji invent akensere eriduru na eri. Unu kwesịrị inwe brain. Unu kwesịrị reasonable. Not every day in a present case why. Present your case as a man. He posts pictures, posts videos. One justice, Ogechi Okeke. Yes, Guineas. Present your own case. That is what I'm asking for every one of you. Stop presenting Ogechi this, One justice this. No. One justice has to go no openly. Even on video, no choosing, no get the written number, change your number, yeah. You guys should stop calling her. No got your no way. Everybody should face their own case. The other day I learned a live video. Answer your father's surname. Why must you guys be under someone to defy Ogechi? Make your case very clear. Every dance instigators, they are under fake account. Real people, they don't want cases to be going on. They want peace. Everybody should mind their business. More than justice as even leave me alone. Mgbe Ogechi na-akpali nọ, mgbe nke a na-eme, nke ọzọ na-eme. Where are you? Why are you showing concern now if you are not a hypocrite? Are you getting the point? So, asinu udo dere ono. Onye chọrọ udo, pursue peace with all your strength. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Yes, I don't need to be talking to you on media, but on this particular thing, anything man and justice present on this media, accept it. Don't be provoked. Don't get angry. Onye ọwụna na-achọ udo can take anything in life. Like we, that is peaceful people, don't mind of things that is happening around us at the moment. Onye ọwụna madam from 2021 we know that I'm a peaceful person. I don't like trouble. In a matter. And I don't like trouble does not mean that I'll take all shit. In a matter, those kind of things. I am for peace and unity. We can easily let go, but everybody will not be us. We don't behold anything on earth because we know that we don't know the hour or time. Onye ahụ nwere ike ịnwụ. Enwere no na kpụrụ na hetetology. Na daddy nwụ on 4th of November. All ka ọ na kpụrụ. Ị na-aghọta? Nwanne m nwaanyị nwụchara nwa on Saturday, o je visit ya on Sunday. What my dad never do before. Nwanne m nwaanyị nwụrụ nwa nwoke. My dad je visit ya, visit ya, kucha dị nwa n'aka. Anytime I remember that I have lost my dad, I always cry. Kucha dị nwa n'aka, nata on Sunday, na kpụrụ onwe ya ụra. Ọ na-eweta aka iri in the morning, 2 in the morning. O si from the room, from there. Ọ na-aha isi onwe ya, mmadụ na-aja daddy kedu ihe na-eme? Akpọ my younger brother nke furu obi, si ya bịa ọ bịala ori ya yard. Na daddy si ya na achọgo m ịhafụ. Na mbiko na ọ na nwụọ ntị na n'ozugbo. Just like that. My dad is no more till now. Ọ ka dị nke film onye mbiri ya ọma na January 3, 2024. Wee natawa Angola. Wee jee Lagos for Lagos jee nata Angola. Oh, na ka nsi wee na-anụzi n'akụkọ na my dad is no more. And I call sometimes when they can happen this, I begin to imagine all those kind of things. So nobody know the hour or time to go. All this blaga in social media. Oh, one day call okay end the only analysis we think Ewaga. And I suppose after yesterday. Just like that. One night okay find you upon OJ this hospital to UK. Fly here the only natural video with two ones here to China. Go on your own place in a platform that period of time. No, you should say some happy birthday. I don't think I saw you after 2 or 3 days. I said, no, I cannot joke. He is no more upon all the wealth he make on this earth. A young man just like that is no more. What are we dragging on this social network? Where they are the peace? Ogechi and Justice should go and make peace. They should overlook useless people like Jinjiveza and Kingsley Mono Destiny. They should overlook them. You want to go those things and focus on the real life. Real life is very important. You don't know the hour. You don't know the time. Everybody should mind their business and allow Ogechi and Marian Justice to settle their differences. They have wronged each other. Marian Justice is not perfect. Ogechi is not perfect. Two of them need peace. Social media hypers have caused a lot of damages to many people. You guys can see all the video we played from yesterday till today. Many don't know the truth between what happened between Ogechi Okeke Njaka and Mirabel and Edo. People believed her stories, thinking that she's saying the truth, not knowing that she's just a criminal that is scanning the public with her autos. And we thought that she's truthful. A lot of people have supported her. That is why I stand up and say no to that distractions. If Ogechi Okeke Njaka is running her charity organization by now, I know that thousands of people equate favor. More than that from that NGO. That lady have a good heart. She have a good plan. If you listen to her communication with Ogechi, you see how calm she is. How she have good plans for Mirabel and Edo. But at the end, see what happened. Mirabel and Edo betrayed her. Laid the allegation on her, calling her all manner of names on social media. If you are in her position, will you be happy? Everybody and I judge is here and I judge one side. Neither the case anybody had done and media criticize okay without even hearing from her. Today onye dị nsọ n'ime ụnụ. Who is perfect among you all? That is why I said that I will stand with her till eternity, because she is good to the widows and promises in the land. How many of you have never done half of what she is doing? In Enugu State, free nation, how many of charity organization is doing it in Nigeria? You that is fighting her, how many have you helped? On a nation, come bring her the grace this lady down for no just cause. I said no to that. I can take any insult. If you guys like, share my thanks on media, share my international passport, do whatever you feel like to do to me. I will stand with this lady because she is good to our people. Evil mindsets of people everywhere, instigating fights, doing all manner of evil, all in the name you want to belong. TJ Fashion, your matter end with a nakam. Okay, one idea. Your matter never end nakam. Or just kagini kaikawagurundo wa. Ihene menu between Ogechi and Mirabel. I think today we did the last time I get here. Next time we go into another topic. We must continue preaching truth. to our people. It doesn't matter what it costs. That truth must continue. Hello, man of God.
Man of God.
Yeah.
So, kumaka na Ogechi think
Maria Justice.
Yeah. Yes, Maria Justice. Because we have prompt Munji call because I've been on prayer asking God things.
Yeah.
To get the counsel and wisdom of God. The wisdom of God is one of the weapons to win any battle without firing any bullets. Wisdom. So, God, they say wisdom is far higher than greater than anointing and even gifts. God, is anybody that doesn't have it should come to him. He gives liberty.
Yeah.
The wisdom of God. So, even when a prophecy is given, it's not backed up by wisdom, that is not in it can cause heavy commotion.
Yeah.
So after that, with what I saw last night, and that's why we're just praying that these two persons, one nab, Amagol everywhere all over the world, they have something to offer. Ogechi and they have something great to offer, honestly speaking.
Very correct.
With other sisters. And I want to say this because I don't know that woman, but which what I saw last night. I'm saying that woman, I just know, is a great woman walking on red carpet as I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Those that even if a governor, if I tell anybody what is seeing her walking on red carpet and people following her, but it's not it's a very calm person. So what happens? She's going through now that just that the enemy have seen something ahead of time. Emecha and Maranaboy, one of the best friends.
You're correct.
I'm telling you. This woman and Ogechi, they should write it down. And devil will enter in between them. Because she will later discover that Ogechi is a very kind and passionate person. At times he will say,
yeah.
And that is kind of that God wants. David, as David, God is saying, if it was David is a man after his own heart, you all know
correct.
No, not the man. So people, that's where God look at things. So this woman, I'm going to post through that same therefore something you mentioned that thing where I don't know, but the end and hide on that to be attacking Ogechi where with them.
Yeah.
I felt so sober, and that statement, the deep, and actually that statement that woman one eye why make million justice, or the deeper than what they're even thinking of.
Yeah.
And I saw her like sharing that thing actually my really drop one night. And I felt differently. Get that woman meaning. Oh, meaning, what I open a follow. DB or something about 6 years. Oh, we hear
yeah.
We it sinano. Papia
yeah.
The same thing married people. The same way mamia book wanite mamia. It what I behave. Can that mamia who adult behave until you go that person?
Yeah, you're right.
That's one of the secrets that works in marriage. until you go once you go where that's all. So one of the things that pains that woman is this. Imago anasi wo oyaya na one day.
Yeah.
And then will go 18 in as much as at times she'll be feeling that Nebo Ala Igbo Ejimon or Makano no Dili Ono Proti Anopo and Onupo no like in another tribe and since then at times so where you care to ask about her. You're now.
Yeah.
And which is true. Some people will not carry phone. Get that phone because not the sick will need. Yeah, Meluchi. I think spirit of God no now. You got to go here and isolated person. No, yeah, Banaria Barano on all way. A way mother and body man to pour on. And I want to tell our Igbo people. And they have me because so many people will for a die and plan for the not get them sending them one name in the just drive. I must have to visit here. All the kaya singing at Chukubia that who will look on the Yoya will begin to do such. You got that? And secondly, the Chinekawam every family God is send their justice to that area. For the benefit of Igbos. If I'm not going to come now, but it's going to happen tomorrow. This and she's going through attack from the same people that God sent her over there. We make intercession on their behalf so that something great. We also need a mitch. Oh, why can we get an busy? Adana Ogechi Highway, it will hear God raise two of them. That is will hear God sending that woman in the northern side to do. And very soon, that is not far, her intercession, like Esther and the Jews. If I'm a Esther on your game again, mark my words, and everyone should write it down. It's going to happen. But this point of time, after this commotion, it would there will become you will see something glorious,
yes,
and that is coming out of it.
Yes.
This is a message that everyone should take care of. So we should tell her that the entire Igbo land love her where she is. Now I fear no their sign and I put here no jiru. Igo tell her if after the Chineke where to afia. Go to Ala Igbo something, and it's going to happen that Igbo people don't hate her. We love her so much. I hear me, and so shall it be to everyone. God bless her and bless every one of you.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you, man of God. Thank you. In our more, go. Many of our audience in the free fun and association they will not understand. No one will purposes and reasons so go those kind of things. Yeah, one night wine on over the other side the honor when they can fight alone one day. We neglected it. That's why I say that on the one good day, I and I said personally will come out officially and apologize to her. Yeah, because we always misunderstand each other. But a day will come for that total reconciliation and total peace. You know what? He am the interest of beginning Chineke na amara. You know, get one day where a soft landing, a soft peace of mind, a way then, if we that Namara and justice not dear for his doctors, in way reasons which you know dear. You have to go those kind of things. So everybody should be praying for internal peace between Marian Justice and Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You have to go. Igbo Gado united. Anyway, these 2, 3, 4, 5 powerful women in the Igbo nation. All these things are in the name of our women. How get change? You know, all those kind of things. All those ancient tradition and all this. Oh, my why get the sin now the gay enough. A change all those method. You have to go those kind of things. Man, they can want justice and Ogechi. They can still rise and do that. You have to go those things. So everybody, they came where we donate it. Let us forget about all this hatred. Someone you don't know from anywhere, you just hate an individual just like that. It doesn't make sense. Ị ga-afụ somebody na-ekwu eziokwu if a hate ye gị na-ekwu eziokwu for no just cause. Does it mean that we don't need peace in our land? We need peace. We need growth. We need development. A community without peace don't have development. A community where everybody is sustaining each other, there is no progress in that particular community. But when people loved themselves, everything worked out for good in that land. And people will begin to do what? Live in peace and harmony. These are what we need. So, Ogechi, my darling, pursue peace with all your strength. It doesn't matter what it takes. Pursue peace. Let us humble ourselves and make peace to come into existence. I don't know the kind of heart in Mole. I want 50% of Nigerians ndị Igbo nwere ihe efu na ụwa anyị nọ n'ime ya nweghị nsogbu dị na ya. You know, all those things. I pray that many people will understand it. Peace matters a lot. Peace can take you anything. Even if that you insult me, once I want that peace. Even if that you are not on me, not provoke, I'm not going to walk over and you know I cannot do that. I will keep on pursuing that peace. So let this reign. With humility we can go far. And love we can go far. So when them ogologo kwadro no come with ozioma and anugbo that is very clear to everyone to understand it. In all those kind of things. That is why many of you will say, peace. Oh, when ndị anaghị indicate peace, have peace. In over how long peace go peace to the individual. Okwechiri no problem cultural. Jinjin vents and a colonia or working sick and gay or women are there can get a lot of them I have gone beyond human imagination to do what to please them, to make sure that they have peace. But because of their wickedness, because of what they choose to do, they continue on those atrocities. Shalom can walk everywhere. Or when you can ejaka ye call to you everywhere. Natural problem na aka nya kid. Or we maka na-ekwu okwu. So nwanne m mgbede amara ụnụ mma. Asị m ihe ọma mere m ya mere nwanne m. Onye na-egburu go nnụ ga-ada n'ime onunu. Onye na-achụ go ga-ada and onye na-achụ ga-ada. Gị nwa na nwe nwere mmeri. From here, good night to you all. And